Differences between aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic, aero means oxygen, okay? Aero means oxygen, whereas anaero means absence of oxygen. That means aerobic respiration requires oxygen, okay? Whereas anaerobic respiration does not require oxygen. Aerobic respiration takes place in cytoplasm and mitochondria, whereas anaerobic respiration takes place in the cytoplasm only. Aerobic respiration produces higher amount of energy, okay, about 36 to 38 molecules of ATP, whereas anaerobic respiration produces lower amount of energy, 2 ATP molecule. In aerobic respiration, glucose is converted into carbon dioxide and water, whereas in anaerobic respiration, glucose is converted into other molecules such as lactic acid or ethanol. In aerobic respiration, the process takes longer time, whereas anaerobic respiration is a faster process. Aerobic respiration occurs usually in higher organisms such as humans, animals, and plants, whereas anaerobic respiration usually occurs in lower organisms such as some bacteria, yeast, and other microorganisms.